Welcome to Dalkey. So, don't know too much about Dalkey, but I do know that it was an area for the Vikings, a foothold because of the high ground for Dublin port. So you have the Dalkey Castle and Heritage Club, you have the church, and of course you have pubs. Surprise, surprise. So it's a very small village and you have to have a lot of money to live here. Like 20 million subscribers won't even do it. We're talking hundreds of millions of subscribers. I'm going to check this thing out here. We might get a bit of history on it. I don't have my glasses though because I have my mask on. So let's see here if we can do this. Dalkey's origins date back to 6,500 years. Oh, date back 6,500 years. To activity on Dalkey Island in the early Christian period. St. Begnet's church on the castle was built. Later the church on Dalkey Island was constructed in the Viking period. There was a thriving slave trade on Dalkey. Oh geez, I didn't know. Didn't know Ireland had actually much trade history, slave history. It's always sad to hear. See if we can walk around this. Might be able to take a peek in, but it's pitch black. Yeah, it's pitch black in there. They didn't really construct things for lights back in them days. It was more like stopping spears and arrows coming in. Right. So again, these are going to be 5-minute videos. So I think Dalkey I might get two 5-minute videos. So as you can see, like here's one part, and then it stretches over to the other road. So there might be something underground there, and there's walls there as well. And there's not much more going on here. There's people standing out getting their coffees. Yeah. People out socialising because it's a very popular area to go for runs and walks, cycles. Now you can get the dart out here, and I'll actually end up at the dart station now in a few minutes. I have to go back through the village. That'll be mainly the outskirts, it'll be all homes and all there. And there we have the bar and restaurant. And we have a coffee shop. And then you have another bar and restaurant. This is one end of Dalkey City. Well, like, you can come out here, you wouldn't even have to spend a full day out here. Let's get the dart. A couple of euro from the city centre, south side. And you can explore these castles, well, the outsides of them. Go to church, have a nice meal. Parking is a bit scarce, and I wanted to go and park in behind Super Value or the church. Sorry, it was the church. I was going to park in Super Value, but couldn't find it. And the roads to get here are annoying. I was coursing and all in the car because of one-way streets, but I eventually made it. It is a Saturday morning. It was lashing rain when I left the house, so I was expecting to get a rain video. I'm never going to get one of those proper rain videos. And it's ironic, I live in Ireland.